All right, guys, so we're gonna put some LED backup lights in this excursion. And first of all, let's go ahead and show you how the stock ones look. There's our backup lights right now. Let's go ahead and put these LEDs in. Okay, guys, so what I got is the Sealight, Sealight brand. I bought some headlights from my other truck a long time ago, and they have been really good. So these are 3157s. Let's take these out. We have some Torx, all four sides. Let's pop those out and let's see what we can do here. All right, guys, so this is actually pretty easy. Once you get the screws out, just pull it straight out. And then we're just gonna turn it over here. We're just gonna turn it counterclockwise a little bit and pop it out. You can see our light right there. So we're just gonna ease this guy out. There's your bulb. Let's grab us a bulb out. And let's plug it in. Beautiful. There you go. This actually has a little tiny fan on the end because they do get hot. So we're gonna pop this guy back in and let's do a comparison. Guys, here we go. Hopefully I put it in the right way. I forgot to check polarity, so let's find out. Oh my gosh. What? Wow. Wow, guys. Look at that. It lights the whole place up. Now that's what you want.